In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to trade the crash and bull market successfully. I'm also going to tell you guys when to know that the market will drop in price movement, meaning that when the market will spike, and when to place a better entry position for a buy. So right now, we're currently seeing that the market is buying and it has gotten to the overbought level. The market has gotten to this overbought region, meaning that the market will spike. All right, so if you're on the crash 500 index market right now in this position, do not enter into the market for a buy because the market will drop. You might see that the market has been buying for a particular period of time and you would want to place a buy because most people always say follow what you see on the market. Once the market is going on an uptrend, you look for a buy opportunity, right? But this is not the type of buy opportunity you look for when the market is going on an uptrend. All right, the type of buy opportunity you look for when the market is going on an uptrend is that when the market has sold for a particular period of time. So when the market sells for a particular period of time and you see in price movement that the market has started to buy, all right, know that the market need to sell for about, let's say the market need to sell for about 10 to 50 candle ticks before you place a buy once you see an uptrend of the market. All right, I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. So right here, that the market is going to drop in price movement, technical analysis actually tells me that this market will soon drop. Right now, take a look at that. Now you see at this point right here, the market sold down up to this point, up to the oversold region right here. But if I zoom out, this is not actually the oversold position. All right, now we saw that this market sold from here. You can see the very long sell position. Now the market need to buy to cover up the losses it have made from this trade. What I mean is that early buyers, right, buyers that have bought up to this point, when the market crash, they lost their profit, right? And the market now need to buy again for them to recover back their profit, isn't it? So when you see that the market has sold up to this point, the market is going to buy in a position whereby it's higher than this point, or it may be at this level right here. Okay, it might be at this level right here. The market may buy up to this point, meaning that it can even take up to 10 candle ticks. Even when you're taking those 10 candle ticks, the market could sell again, but it would be in a short sell. It doesn't mean that the market is actually going in a downtrend. All right, it doesn't mean that the market is going on the sell position. The market will continue to buy upwards. All right, I hope you understand what I'm saying to you guys. All right, now clearly we're seeing that the market is a buy. If I put in the RSI quickly right here, the relative strength index on period 13 apply to close, then the level is on 80 and 10. All right, the style on 3 pixel using the color blue, then I click on done. All right, then I'm going to put on the MACD just to show you guys what I'm talking about. The fast EMA on 14, slow EMA 24, MACD SMA on 10 while we apply to close. The main on 3 pixels on color black, the signals on 3 pixels, then you click on done. All right, now take a look at this, guys. You see that this MACD right here is above the overbought level. Take a look at that. Level 80, the overbought, and the MACD has gotten above, meaning that the market will soon drop in price movement. So I didn't even need to use indicator to show you guys that this market would drop. All right, so when you're trading the crash and bull market, the market is always volatile, mainly on the crash market. All right, the crash 500 index, the market drops quickly than the crash 1000 index market. All right, now take a look at this, guys. You need to always know that this market will drop always, because that's how the market is in crash and boom. The market always buy and the market drops. It buys and it drops. All right, so you need to know that the market buys and drop all the time. So you need to know when to exit and when to place an entry on the market. All right, you need to know, and you check your higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, to confirm your entry, guys. Take a look at this. If you take a look at this point right here, you can see that this market sold up to this point. How many sales? The market took about 3 sales, right? 3 sales. And you can see that when the market bought up to this point, the market has to sell. It has to sell to recover those profits. So the market need to sell. Again, if you trace it, guys, you can see that this sell and this buy and this sell are equal. Take a look at that right here. Take a look at this. Perfect. And take a look at this point as well. Perfect. Perfect. You can see that they are equal, the same size of buy, the same size of sell. And we are seeing another position right here, meaning that this market will buy again, then the market will sell. That's what we're seeing right now. So I hope you understand what I've said to you guys. So for you to confirm your entry, always go to the higher time frame to confirm your entry. Now the higher time frame, the 1 hour time frame, is telling us that this market has been buying. So the next step is for the market to retest. Right now we're looking at the boom 500 index market. I just talked about the crash 500 index market right now, and we're currently looking at the boom market. And if I zoom in right here, we can see that this market has spiked. Now I want to confirm this to you guys. Let's go over to the 1 hour time frame right now. On the 1 hour time frame, what we're seeing here is that this market has sold up to this point. If I mark it, you guys can see that this market right here has sold up to this point. So the next step is that this market is going to buy. So this is what you need to watch out for. Whenever the market sold, the market will buy. All right, whenever the market sold, the market will buy. But for you to confirm this entry is on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. And we're currently seeing here that when price gets to the level of 10, the market will buy, right? And when it gets to the level of 80, the market will sell, just as we're seeing right here. It gets to the overbought, the market sold. And if we go back to the 1 minute time frame, like I said, the market spiked. Once the market spikes, like when the market bought, the market will sell. All right, and we're seeing that this market has bought up to this point right here. All right, this market has bought up to this point and is selling now. Now you may think that because I said this market the market will buy, the market will sell, right? But take a look at this pie, guys. It's very little. And if you take a look at the previous trend, what we can see here is a long buy position. Yeah, I hope you understand what I'm telling you guys. Take a look at this right now. Zoom it here. If you trace it, guys, you can see that this market bought from here up to this point and it sold a little bit, and it sold again, it sold a little bit, and it bought and is selling right now. So what will be the next step, guys? If we go back to the 1 hour time frame, then if we zoom in right here, we're seeing that this market will buy again. So if you are in a position right here, what you should do is you don't place a sell. You don't place a sell in this type of market. You place a buy because we're expecting that this market will buy. All right, we're expecting that this market will buy. Take a look at this here. Take a look at this, guys. The market sold here. The next step is for the market to buy. On the 1 hour time frame, the market needs to buy, and on the 1 minute time frame, this market is currently selling right now. So the next entry point is for you to place a buy on this point right here and take the profit from the market, right? I hope you understand what I'm saying to you guys, right? If you take a look at this point here as well, the market bought up to this point before it retested up to this point, then it bought again and it retested, and when it gets to the overbought here, the market sold. When you get to the oversold here, the market bought. Very perfect strategy. Very perfect, guys. So guys, when you're trading the crash and boom market, you need to always know all the time that this market will continue to buy and sell, buy and sell. That's how the market works. And if you are trading on the 1 minute time frame, the 1 minute time frame is only if you are scalping the market, which means when you're taking advantage of small price movement from the market. All right, and when you want to confirm your entry, you go to the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, to confirm your entry, right? If the market has bought on the 1 hour time frame, the next step is for the market to sell. All right, if the market has bought on the 1 hour time frame and the market is still buying on the 1 minute time frame, the market would sell sooner, meaning that if you are on the crash market and the market on the 1 hour time frame on the crash, the market has bought to a long period of time, and on the 1 minute, the market is still buying. If you place a buy at that moment, the market will crash, meaning that the spike will come through and take away all your profits on the market, and you might even get a margin call at that point, right? So I hope you understand what I've just shared to you guys. All right, and I hope you found value in this video that I've just shared with you guys on how to know the perfect moment when to place a good entry position for a buy and a sell, and how to know a good entry point and how to know when the market would spike. You need to see the vision that the market will spike all the time. You need to see it, guys. You need to know when this market will spike, and for you to know that, I give you two indicators, guys, to use on this type of market. The RSI and the MACD indicator can help you see those future price movements. All right, they can help you, but it doesn't work all the time because they are not 100%, but it helps you see our price move quickly. All right, so if you found value in this video that I've just shared with you guys, do us a like and subscribe to the channel, the Daily Forex, for more awesome trading tips and strategies. I will see you guys on the next video.